Aloha, I'm Chef Trevor from Zippy's Restaurants. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Spam Musubi. A special mahalo to OluKai for featuring Zippy's on Anywhere Aloha Fridays. Annually at Zippy's Restaurants, we make about 194,000 Spam Musubis. Again, a special mahalo to OluKai for having Zippy's Restaurants on Anywhere Aloha Fridays. For more info about Zippy's Restaurants and all the Ono food we serve, check out zippys.com or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Zippy's.